Today, I will be showing you my Mars colony. The Mars colony is made up of solar panels and domes which can resemble the sleeping quarters and/or greenhouses. I even have a tour set up, check it out. This is the bridge and air building that keeps air from dispersing out into space. The solar panels are for energy and the tunnel is for transportation throughout the many rooms in the dome. Also, the red wall is what keeps people from falling off the red planet. It is built for safety, but you see it's only half made. The other half is where the bridge is that I told you about earlier. If you enjoyed this presentation, I would suggest going to check my YouTube channel at Spamforlife.